Hey there, food enthusiasts and health-conscious folks. Today, I've got something extraordinary to share with you, a game changer in the world of blending. Get ready to dive into the world of the Vitamix 5200 blender. It's not just a kitchen appliance, it's a culinary revolution. Let's kick things off with durability. A bargain blender might seem like a steal, but not when it falls apart after a few uses. With Vitamix, you're investing in a kitchen companion that's built to last. That's right, it's dependable, not disposable. Cleaning up after blending can be a chore, but not with the Vitamix 5200. A drop of dish soap, warm water, and 60 seconds later, voila! It cleans itself, no disassembly required. Say goodbye to the hassle. Now, let's talk about why you buy a blender in the first place, making smoothies. Whether you want an icy blend or a silky smooth puree, Vitamix smoothies are a delight. Get ready for nutrition-packed sips that'll make your taste buds dance. More horsepower isn't always better, what you need is a well-trained one. The Vitamix 5200's complete blending system brings everything together, delivering faster, smoother blends packed with flavor. It's a culinary powerhouse. The Vitamix 5200 isn't just for smoothies. It's your all-in-one kitchen wizard. From hot soups to nut butter, batters to non-dairy milks, this blender does it all. It's the secret ingredient for your culinary masterpieces. Don't you love being in control? The 10-speed variable control on the Vitamix 5200 lets you adjust textures with ease. You can even rotate the dial mid-blend to get your desired consistency. Precision at your fingertips. The 64-ounce container is just right. Not too big, not too small. It's ideal for blending both small and large batches, ensuring you can cater to your family or guests effortlessly. Imagine going from cold ingredients to steaming hot soup in just 6 minutes. Thanks to the Vitamix's powerful blades, it's a reality. Say hello to convenience. Nothing can hide from the Vitamix 5200's aircraft-grade stainless steel blades. They pulverize even the tiniest seeds for the smoothest blends, ensuring your recipes turn out perfect every time. Remember the self-cleaning feature. With a drop of dish soap and warm water, your Vitamix will clean itself in just 30 to 60 seconds. No more scrubbing and wasting time. When you purchase the Vitamix 5200, you'll get the motor base, a 64 Oz container, a helpful getting started guide, and a classic tamper. Plus, you'll enjoy total peace of mind with a full 7-year warranty from Vitamix. Conclusion. In summary, the Vitamix 5200 blender isn't just an appliance. It's a culinary companion that unlocks endless possibilities in your kitchen. It's built to last, easy to clean, and versatile enough to tackle any recipe. Whether you're a pro chef or a home cook, it's time to take your culinary game to the next level with Vitamix. So, are you ready to transform your kitchen experience? Click the link in the description below to get your very own Vitamix 5200 blender today. Don't miss out on the opportunity to revolutionize your culinary journey. Thank you for joining me on this Vitamix adventure. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting kitchen innovations and culinary tips. Until next time, blend on, my friends.